Hi there, in this video I'll show you how you can install Microsoft SQL Server. So search on Google SQL Server 2019 and then go to Microsoft official website and download SQL Server in developer mode. Here is download option. Download from here. Already I have downloaded, so I'll not download it again. So go to, and here is SSEI files. Press yes, and then it will be show the SQL Server 2019 Express edition. Now I'll show you the custom edition. Custom installation. Here is 3 installation are available: basic, custom, and download media. I'll show the custom. Now press install. Then it will be downloaded the necessary files and package, and after that it will be redirected to another page for installation. Okay, now it's ready for install. Now press new SQL Server instance, and then press next once it's finished. Now press next, click on I accept the license, then press next. Now I will select only the database engine service and then press next. Now we'll press next. Now again press next. Windows, you can install it mixed mode or authentication mode. I will select mixed mode and we'll add a password, then press next. Then it will be progress on installation. Now it's running for installation, so wait until finish. And after this SQL Server installation, we need another application, SQL Server Management tool. So don't skip the video until finish for proper learn and proper installation. It's now running for installation the SQL Server. Okay, now it says all are now succeed. Installation are now completed for Microsoft SQL Server. Now we need to install SQL Server Management tools. So click on SQL Server Management tools and then it will be redirect to another page, SSMS. Now download from here SSMS. Already I have downloaded, so I'll not download it again. SSMS SQL Server Management tools. Just double click on it, then it will be run, and then press yes, and now press install. It's for Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio with Azure Data Studio. 2-in-1. So we can work with it, Azure database, also Microsoft SQL Server database. Now it's installation in progress, and wait until finish. Now it's successfully installed into our system. Okay, now I'll close and we'll see that it's already installed the Azure Data Studio analysis service and all of the necessary software related on Microsoft SQL Server. Now I will open the Microsoft Server Studio, SQL Server Studio Management, and will show it works correctly. Okay, now it's are ready for use. Here you will see all of these database are the by default it creates some tables and datas for Microsoft SQL. Now you can enjoy it with Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and you can build your own query and build up a database with Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, thank you for watching this video. In my next video I'll come back web-based application with .NET framework, Microsoft SQL, and some others. Thank you.